Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to Settings. Here we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then you will enter to the window of Microsoft Teams. Then we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of Storage. Then you click Clear Cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. You can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget, and if it's not working with you, you can update your app on the Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.